This item is time for Dollar General's 50% off clearance sale, guys, for $8.29 to $9.1. We're going to go ahead and grab us some clearance deals, but I'm going to go to a couple of stores, so let's go. Okay, first thing we got is this. We're going to try the food. Let's see. Okay. And it's going to be on the brownie mixes. $4. So half of 4 is 2. And $0.45. Okay, 27 cents. $0.45. And the meatballs. $1.47. So we're gonna get all of this right here. I don't want the brownie mix, but I am gonna get the sloppy Joe mix. My granddaughter has a birthday party coming up. I'm gonna get the hers. Gonna get the pastas, definitely. These right here. And this. And I told you guys, whenever you see these, grab them. They work awesome. Okay, $1.20. Half of that. Accessible plates. Let's see. $1.50. Okay, more stuff they have on clearance. Now they did have the little shoes on clearance. And I don't think. That is $1.25. So let me see. Okay, guys, I want to give you just a word of caution. See these shoes right here? They're on clearance at another store that I know. They just honoring the buy one get one yellow. When I scanned it, it's $8, which they were originally 6 something, and then they buy one get one. So I'm gonna go to that other store. So this is how we're looking so far in this store. I picked up the towels. These are home said buy one get one green dot, so that's not on the clearance. These were $1.50. They half off. This was $1.25. And then we got food over here. Now I'm in the store where I showed you the food deals at yesterday, so I'm gonna go back to that stand. Okay, it looked like they took some of the stuff off of there. So here is the candy ropes, but I need 3 packs of these. Remember that I need 3 bags, so let's see if they got them. Okay, so I found these trays. They were $1, so they'd be 50 cents. So we're gonna grab those. This is how I'm looking so far with the second store. And I just picked up these cinnamon rolls. Right here, let me scan it for you. So they are $1.73. $1 cash back when you buy 2. I'm gonna pick up 2 boxes. $3.46. Once you get your dollar back, $2.46. $1.23 each. So these are $1.23. Okay. Store 3. Store number 3. We're gonna grab a couple of more of these fruits and the pastas. Then I'll see these right here. Okay, so 45 cents. Okay. That's a Glade spray. Let's see how much the spray is right there. Okay. $7. Oh no. Not even on a good day. Okay, the coffee. Remember I told you to get the coffee. It's on clearance. Whenever it's on clearance, that's when I buy it. $2.60, half of that. And then 2 for $12. But dark roast candy almond, they're gonna be half of $2.60. So let's grab 2 of these. And then what's that? Oh, they got Zyrtec for children. I thought we had a $5 coupon on this. Let me see. Let's pray for a coupon, guys. 405. Yep. $4 coupon. This is 5 cents. These are 5 cents. Okay, this 2 years and older. This is 6 years and older. So let me try this one. Okay, this is the 6 and older. Let me see. 14. Whoa. So we actually don't want that. 14, so it's 7. So it'll take 4 off. It'll be 3. But the 2 and younger is cheaper. So let's try that again. Make sure that we're looking at the correct. Yep, 405. And we have a $4 coupon. Grab that. Now I see some ZZ Quill. And I know that was $9.75. Let's see what that coupon say. Okay, if the ZZ Quill coupon pop up. So $9.75 is going to be half of that. It's a $2 coupon. So $9.75. Okay. $9.75 divided that by 2. $4.87. Take your $2 off. $2.87. That's how much that's going to be. $2.87. I don't need that. Okay. Put that back. What is this? Nausine for upset stomach and nausea. Really? Non-drowsy. I never heard of it. And I'm a nurse and I ain't never heard of it. But that's what happens when you're not in the nursing world anymore, doing nursing. Okay, let's see. Okay, $135, no coupon. I guess I'll try it. Astropro, I think we had a coupon for that one. Let's see. $195, nope. But, and that is for, it's a nasal spray antihistamine. Let me grab both of those. My kids have allergies terribly. This is addictive, guys. Watch buying that. And then this is Menstrual Complete. And I need these for my granddaughter. $3. They should be $1.50. So we're gonna look at that. Okay. Now I like this store right here. $1.50. Just like I thought. Okay. So let's grab that. More of these chapsticks. $2.35. We're gonna see what that is. And that is $1.17. So I'm gonna grab those two because the boys already using. And the Ludens, they $1.25. Let's scan these. And they are 63 cents. We're gonna get both bags of those. Okay, let's see what the Zarbee's is. Okay, and that is $2.85 and no coupon. Here's the game headbands. My granddaughter loves Spider-Man, so I might grab that for her. She's going through her era where she picks something she like and go crazy. $2.25. I'm gonna get that. Okay, a wireless speaker. $19.50. Let's see what they say. Okay. This don't want to come. Okay, $9.75. Wireless speaker. I think I'll grab it. Christmas gift. See these guys? I never thought I'd need them until we went land looking, searching, and I needed to wipe my arms off with it. Works good. Let's see. Right here. $3.75, so I'm gonna get that. No, this had a coupon to it. I think it had a $5 coupon. Let's see what that one had. $2.93. Yep, look at that. You need 2 of them though, so I don't have the second coupon. Let's see what the got to be is. Okay, then we're gonna get to this table. Alrighty, and okay, that's $4.67, and yeah, it's a $3 cash back limit too. So these, what color is that? Metallic. Lysol. What is that? 1035. Let me spray. See, should be on clearance. Okay, good one right here. Hand is turned the other way for some reason. Okay, $11.50. We won't be getting that. Okay, the disinfectant spray. I did buy a lot of this last time I was here. And that is $4. No, $2. So it'll be 2. Got another older band, $9. Let's see, should be $4.50. Okay, $10. I think this, I can buy this and they'll put the price down. Okay, see these little lighters? Let's check those out. $180. Not bad. $2.70. Okay, let's see how much that is. This should be 75 cents. 75 cents. I think I'll get one to throw in my car. Oh, look at that. Febreze 360. That's the Old Spice. A guy might like that in his stuff. So that was $180. No coupon because I used mine. So it's a $1.50 coupon that'll match with this, making it $180. So it'll make it 30 cents. Another one that should have $1. This is Airwick. We had a $3 coupon that should make that free. Let's see. $1.50. Yes, we have a $3 off coupon expires Saturday. That should make that a good price. Let's see what the off is. $5.25. $2.63. Oh, look at that. You can earn $1 limited 5. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these and get $1 back on each one. And that's how my cart look. Hey guys, again, make sure you check other places because see up there, those are those primes. Let me show them to you right there. They're 87 cents. Look, prime. They're part of that clearance, the clearance deal. Now this is on the dollar aisle right here. See, the dollar aisle. Okay.